Hi, this is Taylor from the Freeport Community Library. I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin treat box like this one. From home, you're going to need scissors and a hole punch or a pencil. So to start, spread out your orange tissue paper, put all the candies in there, and try not to rip the box because we're going to need it. So the next step is you take apart the box. So spread out either edges, and then I found the seam that ran from top to bottom, and I very carefully and slowly pulled that apart. It might take you a few minutes, but when you get it done, you will have a flat panel that you can color. See all the 7 panels that the box makes? You're going to want to color all those in using either your colored pencil, crayon, or marker, and then you trim off the uneven edges on either side. And then you're going to cut your paper into 7 panels, and you can just use those lines as your guide. If you did end up ripping one in the process, you can still make it work with just 6. So cut those along the lines, and then you have all of your pieces that you need to make your pumpkin. Next, we're going to make the green stem of the pumpkin. You might need a grown-up's help to do this, but this part you can do. Just cut a long, thin triangle from the paper, and then you want to curl the paper. So this is the part where I use the sharp edge of the scissors to do this, so I definitely recommend grabbing an adult to help you with this. You probably don't want to try it yourself. If you don't have a grown-up handy to help you with this, you could wrap the paper around a pencil to make it curl, or just roll it up, or you can leave your stem straight. Now take your hole punch or a pencil or even the ends of the split pins and make a hole on either end of each of those orange strips. Now take your split pin and you're going to want to connect all of these strips together. So stack them on top of each other, and then when you get them all connected, close up your pin and secure it, and then spread the strips out to look like a star. Now we're going to make our pumpkin become round. So grab your stem, make a hole in the stem, put your split pin through the stem, and then start connecting all of those pieces together. So one by one, just poke the pin through each of the strips, just like you did the other way around, but now it's looking 3D and round. And close up the split pin to secure it. If you'd like to leave it plain, you can skip to stuffing the pumpkin, but if you'd like to make a face for it, grab your black paper and cut out any features you'd like, and then use your glue stick to glue the pieces to the strips. Now that you have your face done, we are close to finished. Use that tissue paper to gather up all the candies and fold it and scrunch it so that they don't fall out, and then stuff it into the pumpkin. So just move your 2 strips aside to make a bigger opening, stuff it inside, move the strips back, and enjoy your completed treat box. It's easy to make more of these even if you don't have more Smarties. We just used an old goldfish box or a cereal box. We cut it into strips and did the exact same thing. So you could make a bunch of them, hand them out to friends. You could even string them up and make a little garland. Have fun!